here making a fun and festive I Spy Christmas cake. Welcome back to Shilly's Bakes Cakes. I Spy cakes are so much fun because really it's just about throwing whatever you have in your house onto your cake. Christmas candy, all sorts of sprinkles, whatever you guys have, just kind of throw it on this cake and we'll call it an I Spy cake because after you're finished, you can kind of look over your cake and try and find all the fun, different things that you put on this cake. To get started making this cake, I just frosted it with my black buttercream. We're doing a black buttercream Christmas cake and my recipe for black buttercream is linked right here if you guys want to go check that out. All right, after we've got our cake nice and frosted, we're gonna start our I Spy cake. All right, to start out, I just have some of my crystallized, cute Christmas sugar, and we're just gonna put it around the bottom of our cake. My cake is chilled. You guys actually put a sheet pan underneath so that the sprinkles don't go all over your kitchen like they're doing right now. But I'm just showing you guys, just kind of press it up gently with your hand, and you'll get those nice little crystals to stick on your cake. See all the fun candy I have in front of me? I'm just gonna start putting it onto this cake. You guys, it's so easy. It's really, there's nothing much to teach here. I just wanted to show you a fun and simple way to decorate a cake today. I'm gonna start out by just putting these super cute, I got these cute little Christmas guys. I'm gonna call them guys, Christmas characters. They're just made out of sugar from Bakery Bling, and they are my most favorite, and I just got them at Walmart. They're so cute. So we're gonna start putting the bigger pieces on first. That's the beauty of this fun cake. You guys can just go along and take things off, fix things, just go for it, you guys. You can see that I'll do the same as we start going. If your buttercream starts pulling away when you take things off, or you start putting your fingerprints into your buttercream and it's leaving fingerprints, throw it back in the freezer and freeze it up a little bit so you guys will have a nice firm cake to stick all your fun treats on. To make these fun buttercream ruffles on top of our cake, I'm gonna show you guys, I have my 1M tip, and you can see here that all I'm gonna do is just give it a little bit of pressure, and we're gonna push down, and then we're just gonna lift up a little and push down, lift up, push down, lift up, kind of do it a fast motion so that you're making those ruffles. Keep practicing on your parchment paper because if you just practice, you guys are gonna get it, and it's gonna be so much easier than if you're gonna practice on your cake. I would do some extra practice on your parchment paper just so that you kind of get the technique. Just watch how I'm doing it. See, I'm just moving my hand up and down, and creating those fun little ruffles to make these buttercream fluffs. Thanks so much for watching as we made this fun I Spy cake today. And I love it even more because it's a Christmas I Spy. And I know it's crazy and I know it's busy, but that is why it's called an I Spy cake, because I Spy books, they're all crazy and fun and you have to search and find all the fun little things happening. I hope you guys had fun making this fun cake with me today. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and have an awesome day, guys.